It was a sunny day in Oakwood Park, and the squirrels were planning the biggest heist of their lives. They had observed the human visitors for weeks, noting their penchant for leaving snacks unattended during picnics. Old Nutters, the wise but eccentric elder squirrel, gathered the gang and detailed the plan. "We'll split up, create diversions, and make a clean getaway with the goodies." Each squirrel was assigned a role. Sneaky Sally would be the distraction, Whiskers would grab the loot, and Turbo would be the getaway driver, obviously. Sally put on a show, performing acrobatics and making raucous noises to draw attention away from the picnic table. Meanwhile, Whiskers stealthily approached the table, nearly salivating at the sight of untouched sandwiches and bags of chips. Just as he reached for a particularly large bag of popcorn, a sudden wind rustled the bushes, startling him. He leapt back, and in the chaos, knock-knock, the clumsy newbie accidentally knocked over the lemonade jug. The sugary liquid gushed everywhere, drenching unsuspecting picnickers and turning the park into a sticky battlefield. As everyone panicked, Whiskers saw his chance and seized the popcorn, but not before the park's resident peacock strutted over to investigate. The peacock, flamboyant and demanding, squawked, "Excuse me, have you seen my snacks?" And just like that, the squirrels decided it was safer to join the party rather than make a run for it. Turns out they were better at socializing than stealing.